Hi there, and welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dirty banana milkshake. This is a really fun drink and it has a healthy dosage of booze in it. So if you're ready, let's get started. All right, so first we're going to add in some vanilla ice cream. This is just some plain vanilla ice cream. You don't need anything fancy. Anything will do. An entire frozen banana, 3/4 ounce of dark rum, and the same 3/4 ounce of Kahlua. Next, we're gonna add in 1.5 pumps of our banana craft puree, and then also 1.5 pumps of our coconut craft puree. And now the best part, we're gonna stick this on the blender and add a little bit of ice. You don't wanna add too much, just enough to give it a little extra thickness. And it smells absolutely delicious, by the way. This coconut is just, it takes you to a tropical island immediately. All right, let's blend it up. All right, so once it gets nice, smooth and blended, everything, the ice is all mixed up, the bananas are all mixed up, you're gonna take a smoothie glass and drizzle a little bit of our chocolate dessert sauce into it. Gives it a nice effect, and then who doesn't like a little bit of chocolate, am I right? And don't use it all, you know, save a little bit because we're gonna add some whipped cream and it's gonna look awesome on top of that. All right, now top off with some whipped cream. And drizzle a little bit more of your dessert sauce on top of that. Might get a little bit messy, but that's fine. That's the fun of it all, right? Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you make this at home, make sure you let us know how you like it in the comments below. Always drink responsibly. We don't want you to go loco like the drink. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also our newsletter. That'll keep you up to date with new recipes, giveaways, and promos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.
The camera is not rolling, so you don't have to worry about anything. Don't be self-conscious.
So should I just drink it?
Yeah.
The camera's not rolling? Nice.
It is.
I figured it was rolling.
Yeah, of course.
That's really good.
Is it really?
Mm-hmm.
Are you just saying it for the camera?
No, no. I'm gonna drink the rest of it.